on, man?
How you doing?
Oh, your doors are really heavy.
Oh, yeah.
Nice job. Wow. Is there a window real quick for info?
Yeah.
Sorry. Nice. So what's your name, man, and what's in here?
My name's Bradley. I got 6 Sundown XV312s. I've got 12 MLM 8100s on the doors.
Okay.
I got 6 Hornet tweets for my tweeters.
Nice.
I got a Crossfire 16K for the subs at 0.67. 90 amp hour CMAX for the battery bank, 320 amp alternator. I got a smart 3K per door for the mids and a BFL 350.4 for the tweets.
All right.
And that's about it. I got a Dayton DSP 408 for my head units, temporary. Okay. My 80 PRS took a crap.
Yes, sir.
Very
nice.
Day before the show.
Yep.
So. All good?
Is this recones, or how did you get the cones like that?
So I actually use like Goo Gone and I just wipe them off.
Okay.
Like when these subs were blowing and they want to go back into the normal spots with the screws, so I had to turn them, and I didn't like the logo sideways.
Okay.
OCD thing.
Yes, sir.
I was messing with it. It does 60s from like 28 all the way up to 40.
Very good flat response. Awesome. Nice job. And you built this?
Yeah, I built the box. I had help with the doors. My team over at Glass City Sounds, we did the doors.
Okay.
I had help with the carpet as well, but the box itself, I did all that.
Okay.
So.
Very nice. I really like it, man. I appreciate the demo.
Yeah, of course.
And your name?
Bradley.
Bradley. All right, Bradley. Appreciate it. Is there a way I can see the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a door popper right on the door.
There we go. Little door popper to open it. I like that. Nice job on the doors, too.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, he did good.
I know. That literally just started happening too. Like for this show, yeah. I changed out the 80 PRS and I got a DSP, and like I don't know, the windshield started just flexing a lot more. So
You got louder.
Oh yeah.
And this is wired to what?
0.67.
0.67. Okay. Your door sounded really clean too. Nice job.
I appreciate it. That's a Crossfire 60K. That's what's up.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Nice. There we go.
You might have to back.
I like to sit back a little bit because I get subflex for the people. All right, man. Awesome. Nice.
this. We run this.
Wow, that's some pressure, man, and it didn't fall off. Really musical. I like that. Awesome. Thank you for the demo. That's awesome, man.
What you this. We run this.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.